Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining me today while I read The Whispering Marsh, Part 1. The marsh at the edge of Briar Hollow was the kind of place people avoided, not because it was dangerous, but because it listened. Even the wind seemed to hush when it passed over the tall reeds, as if afraid to disturb whatever lived beneath the surface. Lena had never been afraid of it. She liked the quiet. She liked the way the water reflected the sky so perfectly it felt like she was standing between two worlds. And she liked the whisper's soft, curling sounds that rose from the marsh at dusk, like someone speaking from far away. One evening she followed the whispering deeper than she ever had. The air grew cooler, the fog thicker. The ground beneath her boots softened until she had to step carefully to avoid sinking. Then she saw it. A figure stood in the shallow water, glowing faintly blue, as if it lit from within. Its shape was human, but its edges rippled like disturbing reflections. When it turned towards her, its eyes shimmered like moonlight light on a lake. "You hear us," it said through its mouth, but never moved. Lena swallowed. "I always have." The spirit drifted closer. The water parted around its feet without a sound. Few listen, fewer understand. "What are you?" she asked. "We are the memories of the marsh. Every creature that ever lived here, every drop of rain that fell, every secret whispered into the reeds, we hold them all." Lena felt the weight of that, ancient and heavy. "Why speak to me?" "Because the marsh is fading," the spirit said. "The land dries, the water thins, our voice weakens. You can help us remain." Lena looked around. She'd seen the changes: ditches dug for farmland, trees cut down, water diverted. She hadn't realized the marsh itself was dying. "What do you need me to do?" she asked. The spirit extended a small hand, made a swirling mist. "Remember us. Protect what others forget." Lena reached down. Her fingers passed through the spirit like cool smoke. But she felt something, an echo, a promise, a pulse of ancient life. When she blinked, the spirit was gone. The marsh was silent again. But the whispers stayed with her. From that day on, Lena became the marsh's voice. She fought for its water, its wildlife, its right to exist. And sometimes, when the fog rolled in just right, she swore she could see a faint blue glow watching from the reeds, grateful, patient, and alive.